Shit. Time with the safe. So should we don't take holiday? Was fetch a rise. And big many in his says body. Says fia when extra when fianga when fia quani miss. Sa. Yes, it has been a long time. Come. Would they? Good evening, everybody. Happy holiday to mothers. I know say now with the holiday. Okay, Pikino, children they go school. Till next month I beg. I know pipes. I better share my video for me. Share my video, my lovely people. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Though I not show my face, I did beg. I saw if you don't fall for body, maybe they blow my body from my head to my toe, right? Good evening, everybody. Please share the video. I hope you guys are doing well. This Vera television program. Please share the videos are coming in. Yes, so no time to share time, man. Share the video. One another say I not show my face because today I want you to relax. We stroll out, guys. No. Holiday with the waka. I need to take your kids out. If you don't travel, please beat a bag the door for me. What's that? Daddy, what is close? Okay, don't come out. Children. Now the lepers they do something. I'm not girl mama. Oh, you made it. Don't bother to follow them. Now they use that. If you all see me, I see your sister you're there now. If you want the road, they come. I see I did live video. I say me like that, I go to disturb children. So my people, how now please share the video. I want to see love on this video. Share the video, my people. So my lovely people, I see they go. No time to share time. I know some people will be wondering why Vera is talking about one city in Ansburg. The city is called Start Ansburg. Ever since Vera not leave the waste. You know, there is something some people don't understand. There is something when you are deforming people or when you are lying on people. There is something when you are talking exactly what happened to you without lying. So I know many people don't really understand it. Some people will say, hey, why this one they talk this is not the finish? There are something where be say, how are you, my darling? I'm fine. Good evening, mommy. Good evening, ma. How your side, mommy? I'm fine, mommy. So there is something when you are talking exactly or your experience or what you experience or what the person do to you, not before what the person do to you. There is something when you rely on somebody or and some person tell me I hear. There is a big difference. So I know some people will be wondering, why am I talking to this city in Start Ansburg, this city in Germany called Start Ansburg? Because they know what they did. That is what I'm doing on my video. I even put some video on my YouTube. I do on TikTok. I do on Facebook. I do on TikTok, Facebook, and I post some short video on my YouTube as well. Because they said know that I'm not lying against them. They know that I'm not lying against them. You understand? They do to an extent, my people, not be smarting. Before I start recording them, I told you guys, before I start saying it on social media, I record them. You think I'm joking? You think before I start playing a whole city in Germany record, playing it on social media, do you think I'm lying or I'm joking? Good evening, my love. How are you doing, Jessica? How are you, my darling? Belle, how's the family? How is the holiday? Mommy Rose and Jessica, I hope you guys are enjoying the holiday, guys. Mama. So then I get us some more. Tomorrow, to the weekdays with them, you go sleep, you go do this, you go do that, go buy, wait till I go eat. My sister, I don't still reduce. I don't feel shot. Till next month, my people, it's not easy. All mothers in Western world, I beg, we try, make that they give us, and make that they give us boza. Not easy. Nobody to help. You have to do it yourself. So I know people will be wondering. Please share this video for me, guys. Please share it. I know people will be wondering, why is she saying it? Because there are some things. And I'm not new in Germany. I've not been 1 year or 2 years. Get to 9 years plus. Now I'm there for Germany now. 9 years and some months. Before I start talking about these people, start Ansburg, including my father-in-law, Peter Ituna. For you to know I'm not lying against her, including the useless Jama. Her name is AK. The useless father-in-law that get married to Jama woman because she's a Jama. She starts supporting because she did not give birth to a child. She don't have a child. Or that pain that is in her, she supported my father-in-law to test statins, but she's the one making the call. Because Peter Ituna, the grandfather of my children, don't really understand speaking Dutch very well, though he can speak. But you know when the German people called and when a black person called, there's a big difference. So based on the Peter Ituna is evil, is an enemy of progress. He has spent 35 years in Germany. He no future, no life. Amaro Oyibo, in life where they wayward. So based on his son came and he's not the one that helped his son to Germany. The hatred and jealousy were there. He now know that because he come to Germany, only one pikin, now if he ball, only one girl. Now if he ball, only the one pikin. He no physically take care of the pikin. Now you born when he married, so help and they take care of the girl. The girl used the mouth to say it, I'm not there. The girl, the daughter he have in Germany, that is Peter Ituna, she was one that used the mouth to say that his father did not even take good care of her. And the man was lying that he trained this girl in university. So, the father-in-law now is jealous of us based on his son now come to Germany. We have 3 children. He now used his wife against us. The useless barren woman. Call start Ansburg. Anytime she say, it's Rufus Start, he will carry phone and he will be calling. He called those people that call you get out. Reporting us, including my father-in-law, were supporting him. You can see the video recording I played one time when he was saying you are a duper. You think you can come and dupe here. He was threatening us, lying on our head, joining the German wife, doing us evil. His own grandchildren. Lying on me. If I don't have that record, if I don't have that record in 9 days, when he was calling me, threatening me, telling me that the enchate. When you ask Peter Ituna today, what is the meaning of the enchate? But if I did not play that record, some people say, nah, lie. People called him and asked him, what did you do to your daughter-in-law when he's talking to you on social media? He said, I did not do anything to her. Oh, I did not do anything to her. The day I do a video and said, the next day I'm going to play recording, they start calling, begging, sending people to beg, call. Including the daughter called. But I let them know that one is not going to stop my recording. Because if I did not play it, they will say that I'm lying. So I said, let people come and listen. What have I done to him when he's threatening me, when he know that he's not the one that gave birth to? I'm another family entirely. He start threatening me. You are a duper. You are a criminal. You are this. The end shall tell. Blah, blah. You are using another account to take money. I shall see. All those things were to scare me away for he and his useless barren German wife called AK to see our enemy frustrated, supporting Start Ansburg, Germany, in Ansburg, and his useless barren German wife to be doing us evil. That is what Peter Ituna did. Because when you call your child and you call your grandchildren, no, and he used him out to told us, it's not the German wife that gave him documents, a passport, that is the child. Another woman gave birth, that girl. Is that child that gave him document, passport. But he not support this German wife, German woman, that did not have a child to be doing us evil. He's the one that sell us to Start Ansburg to be doing evil. So I know many people will say, I'll be doing this video. Let's get to 2 months now, right? Since May, right? June, July, we're in July now. Today's date is 15, right? Okay. We don't have this month. No, maybe that. Okay. I'm still talking about the same issue. For you guys to know that everything I'm saying here is what they did. Nothing but the truth. I'm saying everything based on what happened. So everything I'm saying, and I have the proof and evidence to prove it out. I know that is the reason why Ansburg is running, because the letter they were trying to use to steal my children, they know. I still have the copy of the letter. They know when they sent social worker to my house on the 2021, they failed. 2022, they still sent social worker to claim their police. I caught them red-handed. That was 2022 July, exactly this month. Although I didn't remember the date, I think something early of the month. It was on Friday. They sent social worker to come to our house. Thank God I did not open door that day. That one passed. They have been looking for a way to harm me, because they want to take children that they did not give birth to. So why am I deliberating on this issue every day? I want to let the world know what we passed through in Ansburg. Peter Tuna started lying. I used sham on his son. Now so he do this, and now so he do that. Lying, telling some people everywhere that he do everything for us, he do everything for his son. Meanwhile, he did not do anything. Now he's now running. Our children kindergarten, he said he's not the one that collected it. Till today, asked Peter Tuna if he come out and said, okay, let me see if it is truth. He's running. The German wife is running. Thank God I record his useless, barren German wife. I recorded and I'm waiting for their court paper. I record her when he's telling my mom, why is my mom buying clothes? A man that is working in Germany. You are not telling him how to live his life, how not to live it. A man that you are not giving money, he's telling, he's on the record. Say, why is my mom buying clothes? Why are we buying clothes? We're not supposed to wear clothes. We're supposed to look tattered. Because she's a useless pig, idiot fellow. Ask me, which right did she have to be interfering on another person's privacy? You are not the mother. You are not the one that gave birth to him. You are not trying to tell him how to live his life, how not to live it. Very wicked motherfucker bastards. I know she's pretending as if he's not seeing my video. She will collect him and the husband. They are going to collect woto, including the useless Ansburg, the motherfucker Katia Harbord, Paleske, and Thomas Vemes. Thomas Vemes, the idiot, the deforming motherfucker. That one, I don't even know if that one even have a wife and children. Because that man is the most useless motherfucker idiot. The useless Thomas Vemes is Ansburg. So I will be playing their recording one after the other. Although I'm not going to play all. I'm coming, guys. Share the video. Me, I dare here for them. Please share the video, guys. Tomorrow. Please share this video. I'm not seeing love on this video. Please share it out. Put love on this video, please. Because some people will not know why. They're not going to know why they beat them. Looking beautiful. Thank you, my love. Princess. Thank you, darling. Please, man, I put love on this video. Some people are not going to know why they beat these people. Because they say, I'm talking from experience. Waiting, I see, they see. Not be person talking and me, they talk and so. So if they know that I'm lying against them, let them go to court, they are running. Ask me why are they running away now? Just tell me. Waiting make them, all those motherfucker idiots. Waiting make them, they run. I don't know. Because now they don't know say I get their record. Now they are not running. Can you imagine, guys? Please share this video, my people. Now they are not running. They are not running. I don't understand. The useless Katiaba that wanted to steal children that does not belong to her. She's pretending as if she's not seeing my video. If I look, I'll laugh. Our boss lady, good evening. Good evening, mommy. Good evening, ma. You guys enjoy the holiday. I hope you guys are enjoying the holiday, guys. I hope that they enjoy the holiday. Mona tell me now that they enjoy the holiday. Please pull up on this video. So now what I see, now they talk. Mona can see where social worker the first person to call to an appointment because after they failed to steal my children, I seized their letter because I was so brilliant. She started forcing me to call to an appointment. Mona here. Mona here. Now they call me. I not call them.
Hello?
How they play their record? Are they here? Mona here the Katia board. The Katia board that wanted to steal my child.
Hello?
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 Yo.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hello, here's Katja Howard. Are you here near in the office?
What happened?
Mona the yo.
Yeah, you have an appointment with me, and I'm not sure if you're here or if you're not here.
Did you hear that? I don't have any business with this lady. When she calls, she say, I have an appointment that should come. This is after she failed. After I failed her, when she wanted to steal my children. That is the reason why I told you guys that before you sign the letter in this country, Western world, not only Germany, you have to be very careful. If I signed that letter, they could have taken my children away from me. And when I'm not saying my story on social media, the useless you get out as social worker, they will turn it around and say I did something wrong, or my enemy head is not correct, or my enemy is mad, or my enemy is sick, or my enemy committed a crime that is forbidden in Germany. They will not lay allegation on your head just for them to take the children that they did not give birth to. This lady forcing me to call to an appointment. You will hear why will she forcing me? Because when I told you guys that it's a big Germany, I don't have any social worker that is helping me. I don't need it. I never sent my letter to any white person to help me to translate. No. Because I don't want their problem. I know how they operate. They want to help you. They want to help you. They will look for a way to take your children. When you have children, you are a target. When you have children, especially toddler, then my children were still toddler. They were still kids. 1 year plus, 1 year plus, 2 year plus, and 3 years plus. That was 2021. My first daughter is not up to 4 years. They wanted to take my children when they were little. 2021, January.
Said in the last days you won't come, and so I take not a look in the waiting area.
I didn't tell you I'm coming at your board.
You hear it? I didn't tell you I'm coming at her board. That is what she do. She was just like, she said, I told her I'm coming for an appointment. That is when I'm telling him now. Telling her now, I didn't tell you I'm coming for an appointment. You are the one calling me, the one telling me I told you I'm coming for an appointment. That is when I'm telling her here. I have never, ever called this old lady, I need the help or I need an appointment. Please, I'm coming. No! She's the one calling. Listen.
We don't have an agreement that I'm coming.
Yeah.
Today is closed. Today, me work is closed in the right house. He's there, he stays there. Yeah? Mm-hmm.
You
Did you hear? He said that the place is locked. When I told you those people keep people in rat house, when I was saying it, people think that I'm lying. I will play another video that will shows when I told you this lady wanted to kill me, but people did not understand. People did not believe. Because I seized that letter because there are you get out child welfare that sent her, and Peter Ituna and the useless barren wife want to take a child that she did not give birth to. So, they are not looking for a way to kill me inside the rat house. You guys should listen.
You can come. I'm here.
I said I cannot come, no? I don't have any business.
It's okay.
Yeah,
okay.
I don't have any
You're not
business.
here. And it's completely okay. It's not a problem. And I fill in the documents for the kids' money and I send you with post, okay?
I don't need
but you
it.
must
I don't need it. I don't need it.
Do you hear me? I will say, I will fill in the document of the money of the kids. Did I send her? Did you hear when I told her? I don't need it. I'm type of person, when I know you as an evil person, you can never see me close to yourself. This one is money issue, my children money. I told her I don't need it. Because I'm not money flake that you now use to take my children. I told her I don't need it. Really, I did not want her to help me. I don't need it. Anytime I do it, even though it's next year, leave me alone. Did you hear? Because when I told you guys that I don't have anybody that is helping me, I don't send people any message or any white people or social worker or this, that. I don't have. But based on this useless barren Peter Tuna wife and Peter Tuna wanted to send my children enemy and carry my first daughter to AK to be staying with. They send this woman to come and take our children. Listen, guys.
But please, you know what I told you last time. I don't know why you are pushing. Please, let me be, please. You told us last time.
Did you hear me begging her? Harvard is her name. Please, leave me alone. Let me be. I don't know why you are pushing. That is me for you. When you see me outside, I'm very cool. But don't make me angry. I can look you when you are doing evil, trying to do me. I will pretend as if I don't see you. I have patience to bear, but when I provoke, you say, what kind of person is this? That is me for you. Here, I've been begging her to leave me alone. She refused, forcing me to call to ratters because she wants to kill me. She wants to buy me because she wants to take children that she did not give birth to give to the barren and the useless Peter Tuna and the useless AK. Because they want to send my enemy children. Because they were so little then. They were so little. My last born was not up to 2 years, 1 year plus. My second daughter is 2 years and some months. My first daughter is 3 years and some months. They wanted to take that then. That was 2021. January, early month of the year. They were so little. Peter Tuna wanted to take my enemy children with the useless barren German woman. The name they make me laugh. My dear Gifty. Well, he not reached to laugh. Harvard. She wanted to steal my children because if I don't have all those evidence, if I'm saying it with my mouth now, you say, wait till that woman they talk safe. I keep evidence for a reason. I don't record everybody. It's when I said evil, I said lies, I said somebody is trying to do me bad, I record. Where I said I record Ostender Beholder, I record all their workers, I said it. Tell them to come and sue me. Why did I say so? Because I called them that day when they were trying to kill me, plan evil to take my children. And they say it and I record everything. If I did not record this one, I'm saying it with my mouth. So people will say, go, you want the proof. So for you to know that I have, for where I see this one to bring out, I have bunch. I still have more than 500 that I can play. What Ansburg did in Germany. How they steal children. How they use social worker to steal children from mothers. How they pretend to say, oh, I want to help you. Come, I want to help you. No, it's not that they want to help you. When you have children, your children is their target that they want to steal. They are like hawk in Africa that always steal chicken, fowl chicken. That anywhere they send fowl chicken, they fly down like a hawk. They pick the child. That is how you get out in Ansburg, you get out in Deutschland as social worker. That is how they behave. And after they succeed to tell the children, they will lay allegation on you to lie. What you have never done, they will lay allegation on you and said you are the one that did it. For them to cover up their atrocity to steal the children that does not belong to them. Listen.
And your work is for integration and for house.
Yes. She said our work is integration and for house. Today, Katiaba will say is a social worker. And she's a social worker, social effie. I will bring the picture for you guys to see. Tomorrow, she will say she's helping people from office to office. Next tomorrow, all of them is to target you to take your children. Tomorrow she will discuss as a people that give house and school. Is a lie. Is a pure social worker. When you not catch her, she will deny. She will say, no, that is not my job. I'm a social worker. I just help people. Oh God, listen.
When did you start writing letter for just letter for? I must go to office, Harvard.
Okay.
Any office I go, Harvard, you were there in 2020.
Did you hear when I told her? When I told you guys, I'm not scared of man or talk less of woman like me. I told her, where are you doing odd job? Everywhere I go, Harvard, you know why? After she failed 2021, I seized that letter. She now beg all the Start Ansburg office people. Anywhere that I went to, they should direct me back to her. So that any paper I signed there, she can use it against me and said, I'm the one that signed the paper. So that she can go and tender it in Jugendamt, police, and they will come and take my enemy children or my children. So that is the reason why anywhere I go, they start mentioning her name. Also, I disgrace them and say, why are you guys directing me to start to Carter Harbour? Is she the one in this office that will say no? Then why are you directing me to her? I now know all the strategy, recording all of them. Recording all of them one after the other. Because this is your office, it's not Carter Harbour office. Then why are you directing me back to Carter Harbour? That is when she called me, I told her that why any office I go to Carter Harbour, they now started mentioning her name. For that to see me with Carter Harbour and tell the Jugendamt and say, yes, I've signed the paper. Till I leave that city, I don't go to her. I don't go close to her. Listen.
I don't know you. Please. Anywhere I go, Carter Harbour. Please. Stop disturbing me to come. Please, you are provoking me.
Okay, oh.
What is all this now?
Sure, I'm telling her, yes, you are provoking me. If it is my social worker, or is somebody that they give to me that will have contract, will I talk to her like this? No. I told her, I said, you are provoking me. See, now me be that person. I'm not the fear person. Oh, if I respect you, just be happy I give you a respect. When you think I'm scared of anybody, I'm not the fear. I don't fear anybody. I thought that you are provoking me. This is the one the black people will say, he's a government worker. He's a government worker. Did you see how she both talk to me? Because she know she's in my power. I caught her redundant as she's a criminal, not as a criminal. She's a criminal. I caught her. Ikitoris and Nipo ahola pokporokpo. Una see the way they tell her, talk to her. Because why are you still disturbing me? Leave me alone. She not agree. Mona here. I want them to take the issue to court.
What do you want to do with me?
All those records, this one I play here is just the highlight. You know, when musicians want to start party, hello, ladies and gentlemen, do. The DT one, the strong one is intact. I don't want to play that in free or charge. All those ones to pray for the haters and the motherfucker people that think that I'm lying. I'm playing this recording for them to know where me for CD, where I see this one to break out. There is more of it. And there is strong one that I have not even tempered. Including the useless Peter Ituna and the motherfucker Barrett German wife. I have all of you recorded. Intact. Where you guys continue to fool yourself. I was busy recording you guys. The reason why I did not block this lady quickly, I've said it before, is because I have not done recording her. That is the reason why I did not block her. The moment I done through recording her, all the things I want is complete, I blocked her. I'm the one that blocked her. Yes, I blocked her. If they told Carter Harbour that Vera television program is recording, she could have stopped a long time. And you know why they wanted to kill me silent, to buy me, to assassinate my enemy silent, is because she know I'm a social media person. She didn't know earlier. After I seized her letter, that is when she now knew that I'm a social media person. They now told her I'm a YouTuber. She now go to my YouTube and see me there. Then she started scared. She was not scared that, oh, they need to be very careful because I'm a social media person. That is the reason why they were not trying to beg me, pretend as if they don't have any problem, everything is fine, they just want to see me, we need to have an appointment to talk, just for them to deceive me to where they will have their own power, because inside their writers there, when I go there, they will kill me. Yes, I'm not like saying it in public. And the Start Ansburg is going to cover it all because all of them are together. Because The suicidal beholder is for start Ansburg. The ratat is for start Ansburg. So anything that's up there, anything that happens, even though they kill somebody there, they're going to cover it up. Nobody will hear it. So that is the reason why I maintain my lay. I refuse to go for any of their appointments, any of their office. When they book an appointment, I don't go. So that is the reason why is what I experienced in Deutschland and Ansburg that I'm using to advise you people. There are some things you see with them that is not clear, that you suspected them and they know you suspect and you have to be very careful. When they book an appointment for you, I said sometimes I will have 4 appointments in a day in different office. It will use only 1 hour different. Only 1 hour different. How did they know? They planned it. This one will put her on at 12 o'clock. The other one will put her on 1 o'clock. The other one will put her on 2 o'clock. The other one will put her on 4 o'clock. The other one will put her on. So we'll put her on 10 o'clock. So we'll put her on 11 o'clock. The same day, only me. So that out of these 3 or 4 appointments in one day, maybe I will lose God to go to one. And all of this office have been planned. They have planned me. So that anywhere you guys see anyone she call, you people should hold her response. You people should hold her, share her, give her injection. That is when you see some people that is okay before, they will not tell you, we don't know what happened to her. Suddenly she starts mad. She's mad. We don't know what happened to her. Oh, so they don't know. They say he's in the hospital. She cannot survive the sickness. They have injected her. They were not looking for a way. Good evening, mommy. Happy holiday, mommy. How is the family? They will not eject you. They don't. She didn't know that I'm smarter. I plan ahead of them. Anything you do with them, plan ahead of them. I don't even have anything with them, but I plan ahead with them. So when they not eject you, see, there are white people. It's their country. They will cover it up. So you can see I'm not shouting. Now, so people say they shout. I can shout because thank God I'm alive to say the story. That is the reason why when I'm saying something, share my video, pull love on this video. Pull over my video, share my video anytime you come across my video. That is the reason why I'm trying. I did not go to school and I did not tell Deutschland I'm a graduate. I don't go to school, but I'm just forcing myself to speak a little bit good English. How is the family? We are fine, mommy. How is yours, mommy? We are fine, thank God. So that many people that does not understand PG, they will understand what I'm trying to say. Please, when you see my video, don't ignore it. It's what I experienced in Germany. It's what Start Ansburg did to me. That I'm saying here on social media. I'm in another, although I'm not in the city anymore, I've left the city, I'm in another city. But I'm saying it, I'm saying in Deutschland. I want to let them know I'm not scared of them. I'm not afraid of them. But only what I will use to deal with them is my social media. I will let them know social media is powerful and I'm waiting for their court letter. I have told and promised my fans that anytime they bring court letter, I'm going to post that letter on her. I will give them disgrace of their life. Yes, mark my word. I don't say something I don't do it. No. When I told this lady I'm not going to call closer, she thought I was joking. But when time goes on, she now knows that yes, I stand on my word. When I told you I have a record, I have. When I told you I want to do this, I will do it. When they send a letter, I'm provoking them to send me a letter. If they know I'm accusing them wrong or I'm defaming their character. Start Ansburg, Peter Ituna, and the useless barren German woman AK. I'll call it her name. She's a German. She should send a court paper. I'm ready for them. So that in the moment I see the court paper, I'm going to post it on social media. One, I'm going to come and play the AK. If it's AK that sent record, I'll come and play and record it. Any one of them that sent, before we go to court, any one of them, mark this video, save it or share it or save it. Mark my word today. Any of them that sent me a court letter, I'm fully ready. I'm sending them to go to court. I'm going to post the court letter on social media, the date and everything. 2, because I will let the world know. Anywhere I'm going, I will always put it on media. Because I don't know if it is a fake. Because they sent a fake letter, they sent a fake court paper, and they sent a fake police to do evil. So the reason why I'm going to post their letter on social media, I don't want them to do me evil hidden. The place cannot be a court. They can lie is a court place. Meanwhile, they have already planned and wait for me. So me, I'm going to post the address, everything on social media. You know, because I want everybody to know, because the issue is already on social media. So I want everybody to be aware. 2, I want to let them know I'm not scared of their letter or whatever. 3, I want to let them know I'm ready to disgrace them to the core without no fear or scared of them. 4, if it is Peter Ituna that first of all sent letter from court, I will come and play his recording and how he's so useless. If it is useless Barra AK, I'm going to post a letter on her, mark my word though, and I'm going to come and play a recording first before going to court. I'll come and play the recording on her. I don't care. Even though the judge, why did you play? I will play it. I don't give a F. I'll play a record. I will let the world know. Shay, I told you guys I have the recording of them. So that it will be on my YouTube, it will be on my Facebook, it will be on my page. It will be there forever. Then if it is useless status by the criminal, the Ole Pikin, they send the court paper. I'm provoking them to go to court. I'm provoking them. So I'm going to post it online. The paper they wanted to use to steal children, I will post it before going to court. The Jungenthal paper, the social paper that they used to steal children in Germany, that they have used to steal many children in Germany, I will post it so that many mothers will go and hold social worker ready to return their children. They have used that letter to steal children from mothers. I know. And the day I'm going to post that letter, I know many mothers is going to recollect that, oh, I signed this letter so time so year. Is that letter they used to take your child? Take notes. I'm going to post that letter on her. I'm going to play their bad recording on her. Everything, including their letter that they sent, some letter attached to the one they used to, they wanted to use to steal my children. I'm going to add it to it. Yes. I'm the one telling you. And take notes. Me and my 3 children, my 2 girls and 1 boy that I gave birth to in this Deutschland, we are on Peter Ituna and AK. We are on their neck. And my man, Benjamin, we are on their neck, Peter Ituna and AK. Start Ansburg. My man, me, and my 3 children, 2 girls, 1 boy. We are on Start Ansburg neck. Now, they are not trying to set my man up at work to either they kill my man. What they are not planning now, they are not planning Start Ansburg. I'm telling you now. Start Ansburg and Duisburg, they are now working together, the new city we are now, trying to send my man, plan evil against mama at working place, trying to send mama to go to work. Mama will be working. Because they were not able to steal our children. Now they are not planning evil to kill my man. Now, the target now, they are not switch it to my man. They are looking for a way to send my man a walk in a far place so that they can harm him. Either they kill his enemy or they will deport him back to Nigeria. We have documents. Yes, our document is in renew. Take notes. We have documents. Our document is in renew. So now, what they are planning right now, they are planning to deport my man so that they can come for me. I'm telling you guys this is what happened. Now, my man have been working since when we come to this city. He have given Duisburg everything that they want, that they request. We have given to Duisburg Zud. Because they wanted to steal children, Start Ansburg now contacted Duisburg here. They wanted to steal my children again last 2 months. That is the reason why I provoke and come back to social media when I start disgracing them. Because before, if you guys notice, I did not talk this issue on social media. I feel like, let me forgive them. Based on grossy conscience, they say clean conscience, fear no accusation. Based on they know they have done us evil, they are not scared. Now, they are not trying to work with the new city that we are because they are the same Oslender beholder, the same Oslender. They are not trying to work with them to take their try. Maybe they can steal our children the second time. Did you know that the city where we are here, Duisburg, last 2 months, May, are you guys hearing me? Please, if you are hearing me, share this video. Say yes if you are hearing what I'm saying. I know this one is going to shock them. Everything will be on social media. Listen. If you guys notice, since this thing started since 2021, I did not say it on social media. They cannot see my video that I say it. I wanted to forgive them. But based on they don't do evil, they call the fear. Okay, are you hearing me, Mama? Okay. Please share this video. I have vital information for you guys. So they not tell Duisburg. Duisburg wanted to steal my children again the second time. With the same letter. That is the reason why I told you guys that. You see that letter that I'm talking about? That is the letter Jama, you get up, and social worker used to steal children. Duisburg wanted to steal my children last 2 months, May or the 22. On the 22 May, Duisburg bring the same letter for me and my mom to sign. We caught them again red-handed. As we are talking, our document is renewed. They hold it. They think that they will try to. They think that they can steal our children last 2 months. They did not succeed. They did not succeed. So now they are not crying because they failed. We caught them red-handed. After we caught them, I have the record on this book. I'm telling you guys, for you guys to know that. If you guys know what Ansburg did, why they are crying, oh, you guys will not support them. What I will do to Duisburg, Ostender, Beholder, Zud. The disgrace I will give to you guys. No believe. Oh, it's not a threat, it's a warning. Echo. Because all of you recording is my power. Oh God. Do you know what they did? They wanted to steal my children the second time. That was last 2 months. That's the reason why I say, okay. I start beating them. All of them started crying. Before anywhere we go, they start following. Even before we left our former city, they start following up and down. But now, they are not scared. They don't run. So, after we caught them, they think that we'll sign the paper. We did not sign. We collected the paper. The feeling, including you get and was inside. Exactly the same paper that I seized in 2021. Did you know that Duisburg bring it? Ansburg send them because they are the same. They didn't know that we will know. I told my mom we were going for the appointment. I told my mom that be very careful. I said, my body was giving me sign. I was getting sign. I said, my man, shine your eye. We will get there. Be very careful. I don't understand, but my body is giving me sign. My mom said, what is that? Tell you, this is the reason why, this is the reason why. Exactly everything I said, then it happened that day. When we come, my mama say, really? Now say, yes, I told you. Did you know that when we go back there, you understand? You don't know that the moment we now leave there, after we collected the paper, we now come home. We now go back there. The moment the social worker and the little you get hand, I don't know if it's a you get out, if it's the same person with the lady, they started begging. When I get that, I said, yes. I said, what is the meaning of that paper? The other lady started begging, please, I did not know about this. You never understand. You don't know why they beat them. So they record the day. I record them. I put my phone on the table and start recording them. Because when I'm recording them, when I don't record it, if I'm saying it, maybe tomorrow we get to court. Why I'm saying it on social media is what I can defend. That is what I'm saying on social media. I recorded, they start begging. The girl that they bring, that wanted to take the letter to Junger's aunt, we're not begging, please, I don't know anything. Please, in those back here. She started begging. Everything is intact. Everything is intact. I know many people will say, this woman know they fear. They talk to those people. Because you don't get evidence. Because they still say you they fear. Me, I know they fear German. If anything happen to me and mama, we did German, we did status, but I don't mention the people name. Yes, including those boys who start to mention the people name here in New City where we are. They are not there with me. All their names are with me. That is how we caught them the second time. Me and my mama caught them in Duisburg here the second time on the 22th of May, last 2 months. That is when I got angry. I said, okay. I start disgracing them. Now, what they are planning now, Mama started work. Mama come to this city to work since 2023 till last year. Even this year, Mama work. Now, what they are not planning, they want to have my mama at working place. That is what they are planning now. Yes, so, mommy. Yeah, of course. I'm a lady uncle. What Ansburg now told Duisburg now is they want to give my mom work in far place. Either they kill my mom enemy or they will deport him back to Nigeria because our document is in renew. We have given them everything since last year. Our documents is in renew. They hold it. They are looking for a way to deport my man or to kill his enemy. So I will know, and even the people, people still there with the gawade. That is the reason any way they do not the work. People still there, my people with the gawade for back. And the worst part now, they are looking for the people to know who could they tell us what they plan. Did you know that they are planning it? Because now they don't look for me, they don't fail. They don't say and I say, okay, where is the other way they can use? That is the reason why I said, hope it Ituna, AK the German wife, and start Ansburg. Because all the evil start Ansburg did, they want Duisburg, Osleder Zud. That is why I'm calling the city where we are now. Our new city is Duisburg. Osleder Zud are trying to cover the shame for them because they are the same social worker, the same Osleder beholder. Because themselves in this Duisburg, Osleder Zud, they are still doing the same thing Start Ansburg is doing. So Start Ansburg begged them to help them to keep the secret if they can harm one of us. They not know now I'm exposing them. Now they are not looking for a way to target my man, to buy my man. So the new strategy now they are trying to do is for them to send my man work for a distance. And they are telling my man not to carry his car. The one that just happened 4 days ago. They said my man should come for a walk, to come and work. They refused to give my man contract of the work. Did you know why? Because they want to do evil. And that's it that you have not happened in Germany. When somebody comes from a work, you sign a contract exactly when he wants to start. They now told my man that no, he will first of all go to the work. Then after he come back, he will not have a contract. We said no. I told my man, nah, don't do that. Do you know that what they planned in 4 days ago, they failed? Because they not told my man that my man should not carry his car. That somebody, one Ghanaian guy, will come and carry my man. Meanwhile, they have planned it. Oh, God. Oh! See, I'm just pitying those people. You know, there are some things when somebody is doing, when you don't succeed, you have to remove your hand. Based on this thing that is their country, they can succeed. Oh, God. Oh, then they laugh. Meanwhile, they can cover it up. Nothing they can cover. Before they plan it, we have no already. So they are not trying to tell my man why they not said my man should not carry a car to work so that it will be easy for them to harm. So that it will be easy. Because the person that will come and drive my man to work, nobody know the direction that is driving my man to. You understand? The moment we know, we still let them know that no, it will not be possible. Did you know that they start crying? When my man now said that, I follow my man, I tell him, no, my man don't need it. We don't need it. For now, my man is not working for now. Until my man, we have collected our, this thing. So, what they are not trying to do, they are not trying to plan evil against my man. Because now, they are not crying. They are not looking for a way to target. That is what they do in Ansburg. They try to target me or to target my man. We use a brain. We use our sense. That is the reason why they did not succeed. Oh, God. So now, if Ansburg told Duisburg that they cannot succeed, they will not believe. If I'm telling Duisburg where the city, the new city we are, they cannot succeed, they will not believe. Oh, it's only shame and disgrace they will get. Oh, God. The one Ansburg do remain. Ansburg is now trying to drag them to their mess. I'm telling you guys. So now, that is the new strategy. That is why I'm saying it here. That is the new strategy now. They are not trying to send my man work at a far place. And my man will not use his car to go to the work. The car they want to give to my man, we don't know if they have removed the brake or whatever. Or at the end, they will not say something happened. It's my man that do it. So they are looking for evil. I know this one that I boss now. This code when I your boss now. I know say they go cry. Oh, God. I don't say this one will be your sit talk today. They'll say, Jesus, who they tell all those people these secrets? I'm telling you guys, please pull love on this video. This one I thought so. Oh, my people are not going to understand. This one when I thought so, I don't say they go cry. I say, If Brad say person read the way they give those people secret to, we read the carry our matter they tell them. I'm telling you. Please share this video, guys. So now, they are now planning evil. What they are not trying to do, they think say, okay, whether maybe they can succeed to do the evil before we will collect our document, because our document is on renew. Is there with them? We don't we're not supposed to collect our document based on they are looking for a way if they can do evil before we will not have our document. That is the reason why Ansburg now told Duisburg to hold it first. Maybe all the evil they are as how did they call it? The evil that they are doing, maybe it will succeed. Like maybe they can execute the plan. Oh God. Maybe they can execute the plan. So they purposely keep it, try to do evil. Maybe they can easily get my man down to do evil. Who are those? Peter Ituna, the German wife, because if this case later leak and he burst, he goes to court, they know they are in problem. One, Peter Ituna is in trouble in Deutschland. Peter Ituna duped German, including his grandchildren. When you have grandchildren in Germany, as a opa or a grandma, you have to be giving them money or supporting the children. Peter Ituna did not do it. The wife did not do it. And the German wife know the law. So who caused those problems is the useless Peter Ituna and the German wife were the one that tell Ansburg to do all the evil, just to cover Benjamin for people not to know that Peter Ituna biological son is in Germany. So why all of them are scared now trying to, the target is my man. Also, they were targeting me. They are targeting Peter Benjamin because they don't want the government to really know. Because when this case later go and get to court, when this matter go enter court, it's going to cause problem. It will affect AK, Peter Ituna, Ansburg. That Ansburg ratters, Ostenda builder will be banned. They are going to put all of them in prison. Not be safe for months. Because they know the law. They now support Peter Ituna and the German wife to do evil to shut German government. Is a German doesn't mean that is a German government. That is the reason why even some of their government worker that is close to the on top do evil, they go to prison. So why they are trying to prevent it now, they don't want the issue to leak. Are you not imagine since then I'll be talking, they did not talk? Do you think people did not write them? Or people did not call them and saying that I even they play their record for social media? They tell them now. But they are scared. They still want to do it. They are planning because they plenty. Then they plan different strategy for them to target. You know, if they succeed to deport my man, I told you German deport people with documents. We have documents. Yes, our document is ready. We have documents. Of course, we have our first document is still with us. The one we renew right now. We have our documents so that maybe we're not happy they're not getting. We have documents. You can see it on the record. I have documents. We have, all of us have documents. We have documents. We have documents. We put it on renew. So what they are not trying to plan now is evil that they want to do. And they didn't know that we know everything. So now, even Peter Ituna, they will say, Benjamin, you don't go work. You don't go work. That is where we know the code. Somebody let us know that they plan evil for working place. My man will be working. Even this year, he work. Even this year, my man work. He work last month here. Now I tell my man say me not work again because they are trying to plan evil. And we know. Because last 2 months, that is May 22. Yes, on the 22th of May, they were trying to steal children. So the moment Peter Ituna now know that they failed, because I know say Peter Ituna was among them when they were trying to do evil on the 22nd of May. The moment he now know say they don't fail, the mood change. Before, he was begging my man to come and buy him water. After closing to 3 days of it, he said, "May my man not come again. May my man not come again." It's not that my man be one for go where Peter Ituna they. We don't know everything. We can't do like say we don't know anything. After they failed, do you know that the next day Peter Ituna carry photo be calling my man, "Come and buy me water." Peter Ituna planned accident for his own biological son. He gave his own son plate number to people to do your own son evil. Oh God. I never, everything is it at. I never understand what they talk about. Plan evil. Peter Tuna is plan evil against your son. Use Uromi people, use all of them. So now, they are not trying to send my man work in a far distance where I will not even know about. When be say he dey far, when me no even know, no. My man not the work that can work. When my man work is not far. The highest kilometer is like maybe 40-50 kilometers. Highest kilometer my man wait for the work now 20 kilometers. Did you know that they are trying to give my man may go work for far place like 45 to 50 kilometers? Only to go. Coming back never day. Oh God. I don't say this one that they talk, they go shock them. Those sisters start to cry. So why I'm saying it is that Ansburg. They want to cover their shame and this guy. I'm here. We there here. We there look what they want to. Oh God. We are here, guys. Oh, my video not cut to. We are here, guys. We want to see what they want to do. We there here. So people say, run, be scared of them. Me. I'm not a duro, not be say I shop at that. I think I get documents. Uncle. Wherever they do evil, may they call carry me now. Nah, cry, what? Cry, they want die. They don't know what to do. We are looking at them. We saw if they look there. Isha, echo. We saw if they look na nyanya. Evil and wicked people, so that is the plan, what they are planning now. They want to send Mama work in far place so that they will go and kill him there. Or they will carry him through there and deport it back. Because our document is in renew. I'm doing this video here so that more now know in case of anything. I'm telling you guys what is happening right now. Start Ansburg and Peter Tuna probably tell them made them wait first. The document they don't do and finish because they tell us say we go soon collect but now based on they want send Mama, they want look whether the office succeed for these few months. Make they know whether the office succeed carry Mama or buy Mama enemy. They don't know say no go work. Mona help us hold on. Me our plastic. Our plus we get documents. The first one they with us. The other one I give us, is it there with us, shows that we are waiting for our plastic. Is with us. The one you guys give us that we are waiting for our documents in renew is with us now. That we are waiting for documents. Yes, we have first. We are renewing. And we there with us. But they are trying to do evil, to quickly do evil so that they will not call for me because you know 2 people is difficult to do evil. So they have tried my side in Start Ansburg. It don't succeed. That time when they tried me for Start Ansburg, they can't leave my man. No. After the constituency say they don't succeed for my own, the constituency call for my man. So that they do. So they don't try, they don't succeed. Now they don't call for my man. Now work they come plan. So for your information, until we have my man have a plastic, we give her a paper when he renew. Then my man will start. And if my man is starting full work, going back to full work. And still going to come out on social media saying that my man have started a new work. We have collected our plastic. Is on renew before. I'll call talk about social media. If my man they go work anywhere for they go work. I will talk about social media. Don't ever see problem. Oh, now indie gender. As people take they ask me, take they know as people take they tell us. I'll call the talk about social media. Oh God. I don't say this song go see shock when I say each. All those people they be reading which people see read them when they tell them. Your man should not go to work. Of course, that is what they are planning now. They want to kill my man because all those things that I'm doing now, they are scared for us to go to court because they know say everything that they talk now truth. They are scared because they know say I go really bring across social media. When I start bringing the issue, not be when I get 25 views. So when the matter cast, no. It will blow and people will start sharing the video. So they are scared of social media right now. Not the one me they talk now 24, 23, they watch, 38, they watch, they go, they come out. They not say when it's set, TikTok go reach like 5,000. When it's set, my Facebook go reach 1,000, 2,000 people go to share. No, all those kind of news now. So they are scared. Fear the whole day because it's going to destroy Jama reputation. And later they'll go detect and say now Start Ansburg and Duisburg sued. Now that they do it. So all the workers will be in suit because when it gets to court, I get all of their name when they involved of this thing. Peter Tuna is the number 1. AK is the number 2. In Start Ansburg, Thomas Veme number 3. And Katiabod number 3. No, Thomas Veme is number 3. Katabod number 4, Paleska number 5, Stefan number 6, and Suleiman number 7. So when you come to Duisburg here, there are like 2 or 3. I don't feel like I think 2 or 3. Now they decide. So the one when I count now, I don't call their name for starters, but so they are scared that I didn't know their name. And all the letters, all of them is with me. Including the one, the Duisburg now is scared to send us letter. Because they don't know. Ansburg daughter, they say, we know the throwaway letter. So Duisburg Zoo is not scared of sending us any letter from Osler Beholder. They are scared. Although I have about 2, the one they sent last year, their name, the lady named Frau, something like that, their name is there, not that one. So they are scared. So they are not both to send us any letter. Oh God. When you know your left from the right, they will be scared of you. So now they are scared. They don't want the issue to leak, as in make it called cast. They want to do it smart, as in when they do it, they will do it perfect. And you know if you work. They want to do it perfect so that now when they call buy mama goods, I be when they call carrier when the document they renew. When they call carrier go Nigeria, at the end the call chance come for me and children. They lie. So I just want to let you guys know that which one are they plan. Oh God. I want you to let know which one are they plan since more than 3 months. We know. So you guys, any far distance work, mama is not going. If you pass 12, 30 kilometers, that company, I will go there to know the company. Will never see problem. Oh God. Our friend said, oh, I follow mama and go there, go record. We never know where on they. If mama, if you got the plastic you want to work, I will follow him down to the company. The employee, I will know him, I will know his name, I will know the name of the work. We will never see problem. I will put problem for una next sote. Una call the beg. Make I leave una. The company go where my mom want go they do the work. I will follow him to that company. I'll go and observe that company. If to video it or to snap the name of the company when my mom the entire I go snap. Never see problem. You are dealing with a smart woman. I will know the employee name and the name of the company that is want to work, the how many kilometers. I will know it. All the documents, everything we sign, we want to work. I will photocopy it. I will have it. It don't tell one that they do black evil, killing black hide, doing bad, deporting people that have documents. My man, we get documents. Yes, we get Bali. It don't tell one that they do. You see this about it go over now. So I just want to let you know that the latest one where you guys just the plan. We don't know. I know say the time of Siko Hide view this video now. Una go see show say I want the let you know. Okay, for now, my man can't arbeit. Ich hab gesagt. Meine Ma Mumeta can't arbeit. When meine Ma offerte kommt, the plastic comes, then each meine Ma gets to bureau, then Zuki for arbeit. Then this firma or that this firma for this arbeit, meine Ma is gets da. Cooking this arbeit. Weißt du, the name of the firma, the name of the firma, is photocopy alle papier. Weißt du, oh God, no ever know where on that. I just want to let you know, say, if I don't want to just still put my nose, we just see code, everything you see send, we just still know. That's the reason why when the fair one I want buy for work. Man, I will know the company before. I don't really bother. Although when you have the contract or the contract finish, I will always check and see, okay, now here for the work, the time to go, when to come back. If I see say no quick come, I see if he carry for a column. This one where we did so, I'm going to go there to know the company where you want work. Now never see problem. I will know the organ that give my man the work, the name. I will follow and go there. I go know. I go follow and go the way for when they do the work. Now what now anything that they do for them, I go try to know the work. We want to do for them. Oh God. Never see problem. I will try to know everything will be on my system. Please share this video, guys. They are evil. Yes, so evil, wicked father. You never, of course, my lady. You don't want to smoke. The father now, Peter Tuna, the fear. He wants me to buy a picky enemy. And God no go green. Nothing go happen to my man. Like, and what? Me, I dey here. You want me to buy because when this thing leak, it's going to affect Peter Itu. Not beside the talker for matter. It's going to now all this Peter Itu now go take go prison. Oh, you never know Jama. You know, you talk with proof and evidence. And Mama be here getting to 10 years. So Peter Itu and the Jama wife hid it away from Jama. And they tell Thomas Wemes to lie to government borders that he pikin not there here. You understand? That is the reason why they stopped his son interview 2017. Make it not go interview. Because me papa for no help. Me they for no say papa they cut my man. This thing. They cut him. They cut my man asylum from federal. So federal not gonna know say whether my man did the city or he don't see. So even if the cousin and say later, my man later have documents. They feel go the tea say I be now. They feel go the tea say oh my man don't come. I'm coming, guys. I'm coming. You guys should wait. Me I go carry water for them. My man don't come. You guys should wait. Me I not go. Me I go carry water. Come back. Let me pause it. Anyway, when I not vest, not there yet. When I see there yet, I go carry water for that. No, this summer water. Best they do water like say tomorrow, not day. Oh, day yeah, person see people see there yeah, be now other people there yeah. When I not come out, so can I try? So when I not vest, I go carry water for that. So let me go buy water, cook water. Easy. You know, is the water too heavy? So if they call me, so don't go carry and come back. It's about. So I saw my people. I saw we don't see rich show. Now they call the cry put now. They find info where they want to do. So I don't say this one. I'm gonna say go. Mona cause here and the latest update now be that email. I don't tell me go do now so there. Now our body go tell you. Never see anything. We there here. Me I did Germany here. Ich be here. Ich be here. Please share this video. Pull off, I beg. Share. Pull off. I beg. If you hear me, say yes. So now do where I go down, go carry water. So now it be the thing. I did Jama. Who the Zuzu? Who the Zuzu? Please pull up and like. So that is it, my lovely people. So more fair play the record, we'll see continue. That is what they are planning. They don't know say we know. They lie. Yeah, they wanted to steal children again the second time. I'm telling you guys. Because they did not succeed, we're supposed to collect our documents last April or May. Not knowing that they plan evil to use another social worker to steal our children. As they now see, they failed that April or May, they planned the evil. As they can see, they failed May 22. They now plan another side. We're supposed to collect our plastic that April or May. And the constitution say that April and May they fail on the 22th of May. The people when they be one call you state TPK no work, we not sign the paper, and I go record the social whatever join them. Shame cock they not succeed. So now the strategy when they come bring, they want send mama work me they for do enemy evil. We don't know. And we know. Yes, mama don't work, you don't give her everything. Everything one and want, we don't give you now. So, until mama gets a this for hands. Otherwise, kind arbeit. Vice do, it shall I don't tell you now. Una borders, they are this way they do Ansburg, yeah. They are burger master. I don't go na burger master, I don't go tell them. Una know what happened last time now. They say they don't check una small. We never see anything. Now, so I'll tell narrate now, so tell Fedja go here. I know the office to go. Hey, my people. As I go their burger master office, they shock. I know the place where they are this thing, where like this Ansburg now. No, all city like because big small city like that, where their local government shame. Oh, it shocked that I know the place. For Ansburg, I go na burger master, go disgrace una there. The one me go there again. Una news for burger master. Una local government where they stay for them. Una news where they come then you go carry me. Yo, we never know where una dey. I go do na sote una agree government for parliament where they call waiting say boy tag. You go here. Oh God, maybe that go be the first Nigeria. I want break record for Germany. This is how they lie. I want to break record. I want break record. When I go to burger master where their local government don't be local government they call them like nine. They call them this tonight now. Yeah, burger master, yes. They are counselors. They are counselor. Where they are counselor. If they are counselor, you go be they are counselor. Where they for them? When we go to the office. I market. How they do now? When I can't tell us how they do now. Ishokuna. Ishokuna. Never see anything. I don't say Ishokuna. I tell no there. Me. I mean tell the player be devil incarnate. As that's all that be devil. Now so I'll take stretch no hand, stretch no hand. I have nothing to lose. Oh God. I never ever tell you now. Me not get what I go, but me they report all na name everything you call any our markets. How do they me? My people. How do they me the one after the other? They don't they cry. So don't they remove their name for us let that be other. They don't they remove their name one after the other. We never see anything. If you know said Ansburg want put now for problem, we not go put body. Hell, as Ansburg plenty rich, they don't feel succeed us. Talk us so yeah, we didn't eat at all here. We come here with offer documents. We not come here call shop their government. We call here with work and everything. What you want tell me? We call this as well. This and my mama they pay our market. Shock them. Now my mama carry this as not be just set a car for us. With this sick salon here, we come here with our resident permits. Vice do, we come here with our offer. Vice do get no richtig. Eh? It's finished Aduro or the you come and sick salon in my city here. No, we come here all of us, me, my mom, with our 3 children. We come here with plastic, with documents. I don't understand. Are you made? Ishokuna. Ishokuna. Who carry the house? Mama carry. Who they pay? No be they pay. Wow. He pay una. He go pay. I go drag una. Ansburg where my mouth for even sick as duro safe now even guesses. Ansburg where my mouth for sick as duro where he for carry me from my city come there. We not if do it. We not if do nyete. Tell us of this place. Nothing. When I go mark my word. Nyete. I not the fear. Say you know the fear. Fear what? I not the fear. Then I let disgrace. I want you to disgrace and they go. When I got their burger master where their castle, she is shocked now. I tell no the. Now so the next time maybe we will see me again on a border stack for Berlin. Now on a border stack for Berlin, now I'll go again. When I go put all of them for crick. We never see anything. Me I the fear now. I will have internet. I go disgrace not to the core. Peter Ituna just they enjoy the little enjoyment we want to do because prison is not far from you. Please share this video. Give me love. Peter Ituna Eke. Now put Ansburg for this mess. All of you guys, prison not the far. Prison is close to una right now. Wow. When they do evil, they know they look bad. When they do evil, because say Peter Ituna and Jama useless barrage tell una can't support that they do evil. When evil carry picking, they do all sorts of things. I don't record before. Ansburg taught me how to record. I started record since 2021. When they wanted to take my children. Now I make you see me at the thought of this woman, this Oniara Kokate, but I know the fear. Me I play record the give. It is mad. It don't affect Chris. When I play their record. Now only this one. I not play school one that day. I analyze school one that day now. That is what they do. Wanna listen.
Katabo, please, I'm begging you in the name of God. Please, I'm begging you.
But you are here.
Why? Why, please, I'm begging you in the name of Katabo. Please, stop disturbing me to come.
Okay.
Please, you are provoking me. What is all this now?
Come.
What do you want to do with me? Last year, come. This year, come. Katabo, please, I'm begging you in the name of God. Please. Let me be.
Yes, it's okay.
You know, he say yes, it's okay. He want die for them, not be called they don't give. He want die. You know it. When Oyiboti say they're smart, you can't do smart them. The way we just say they do smart them now. When they say they don't go plan again after they don't pay for picking again now for the last 2 months. They because this thing say now work, they won't go wait for mama. Either they buy enemy or they from work life for a head carry enemy go back. We don't see cash them. That's what they cash the consist recording their head they join up. Oh God. That's what they cash they record they join up. Now I make if I come here call the talk. So people will not know now go say because you don't get documents. Not be your fault. That is the reason why Jama European they use document they punish black people. Yes, that's the reason. Jama use document to punish people because they want you to be scared. They want you to be afraid. Ask me, I'm not afraid of Jama. I have documents. My children have. My man have. We are not Aduro. We not be Aduro. We not this wait for, we not get document with the panic. No, we get documents. So now make them don't want me that they give people documents for you to be scared. And not only that, they still know, say, many of our people don't know how to keep evidence. And you didn't know that evidence is power. That is, you look, even in America, Europe, UK, they say anything small, they don't record, they don't video. Because when you don't have evidence, you cannot be able to defend. Okay, if I don't have all those evidence now, and I know when I talk this thing on social media, when they now wait 1 month, 2 months, and not play recording, and they talk out with Matt, the people call they'll call with fake account. Play the recording now, play the record, and just show us if it is true. Now, demo, they will call with fake account to come and test your faith. To let you, for them to know where you put body. Play and I will not believe you. I'll be talking with Matt. No one, you don't even play for her to know whether you really get them. Then, when you don't have it, what will you play? Now, what the person get, person they show. It's as at the top for you and say we get documents. When you send a line, I go show you. I don't show my document before. More than no say I know the lie. I show up for YouTube, I show up for my page. You see there my page. I have my Nigeria passport. We have passport, we have documents. If you say make I show and I'll see sure. The one we see there with us and we'll see I'll see one. Because now wait I get. But wait the person don't get like you call the talk with man now, you call the see the fear for once I say, oh, this thing when I talk now. If you could go set now, not get evidence to back it up. And now they don't they talk for comment section. Play the recording. Play the record. She say you record it. Play. You don't say I play. They will not know that this person don't get recorded. They will not be the one to drag you. Because they know you don't have evidence. I be is it the letter that they send? When I say useless, start Ansburg, their police is the most criminal police in Deutschland. I be that you say they're not here. Why they cause them? Because I have their letter as well, where they try to cover for Start Ansburg based on their descent Start Ansburg. Is it the useless ratters or the workers there when I have their useless letter? When I they call their name? Paleska, Katia Abbott, Thomas Wemes, Stefan, Suleiman. All those one letter there now. Is it the useless Grozy Sharon? The one that called themselves Grozy Sharon, where they were trying to place us in Grozy Sharon? Now that one. For just center. I've been at the Kida Shushlag where they Viked. I've been what they call themselves. Meshed. I've been at that one. So just imagine, just tell me which one of them. So that is the reason why you see sometimes our people always be scared or with the fear. Not their fault because you don't even have anything to back it. Some people go even get the letter say they don't know what TB the song. Go even throw away. Me, I know they throw away letter. All of me they throw away for letter and the candle when I see say don't turn dirty. If I look and say I beg I not feel the carry this one up and they make me I so we pack together. You see the original letter. Where I know the throw away. I'll carry the candle. I'll carry the candle. All the cover, not the candle, the cover. That is the letter, this thing. I'll go through away. Now let down mean the throw away. So if I don't have this one as I'm playing this record and I not really get some, what will you expect me to play? Show me to I go the fear. Now they be do me something you. Me call the fear based on I don't have evidence. So that is the reason why I say when you are seeing them doing you evil, record though. When you have the opportunity, video. Because the time they will turn it against you, you're supposed to be the one that will win there at the end. You can't be saying that you call they beg, they suffer, they go prison. And when they know you are scared, number 1, 2, they know say you not get evidence. They're not saying that you right to, they'll probably put you for prison. They'll carry you go courts.
You sent a picture and so I thought you are here.
Okay.
Why will I be there?
Okay,
Why
yeah.
will I be there?
It's
close. It's written there. Me for close.
Yes, Wednesday.
Yeah, I didn't go to that doesn't mean that I cannot read at all.
Me Vok, that is on Wednesday is closed, written there. He said yes, it's closed. Administration is closed, but she is not closed. Ask me whether they pass, whether not be the same door that they pass enter there because they don't give a key. They don't want do the thing. The day when the old slender beholder and all of the thing they open. They want to do it. The day when be say all those ones will say on Wednesday we don't open is written there. Even the people because they say my enemy enter there or they say not be here enter where he pass enter. So then on Wednesday now it gets lost now. The teacher are not guesses. I call send at the paper because say take is gets lost. Today when me work is gets lost. Today Wednesday is locked. Then why are you telling me to come? because all of them don't gang because the thing will affect all of them. So they purposely did there to say, okay, today we will not go take there, then go take do the mission. So he can't say me go lose guy, go there. So that if you do people cause say me cause they go there, my man cause say now there me tell and say I they go now he carry me reach me enter there. Don't say no, not be there. Ansburg will not cover it or whether I buy they want buy my enemy, they'll do it they want do me. So that they will not come to carry children. I not go. Wanna hear now. He can't begin the call. He call.
Okay.
He don't weak.
My office is not closed, but the administration is closed. And
but I cannot. You don't understand English.
Administration.
So this man don't close. He say, "Show my title." He say, "My office is not closed, but the administration is closed." Me the chat as a cat boy not to understand the English when I say the administration. This woman don't mad because the gesture when me give her for Ansburg. They say this woman see me cash. He go for peggy gesture for all my body, put for my enemy eye, put for my nya, put for even my mekus. He go for shuku bad eject my enemy throw away. Because what I do, balebo, what I do, he pain a rich bone marrow. My yes is yes. When I tell her, say I will never. It is an joke till I leave that city. Oh God, till I leave that city. You don't see me for her. You know hear what they say. The administration is closed, but my office is not closed. Administration. If you dey hear her voice now for this social media now, the criminal Katia about the only social worker will be wanting my children enemy. Or the January 26, 2021. How will he feel? If they tell us say me the record now, he go believe. He don't go believe. They hear.
Okay, you don't understand my English.
Okay.
It's difficult for you to understand. I said any appointment with you, I don't need it.
Okay.
And let it stop to anywhere I go and meet Katahabo, go and meet Katahabo. I don't need it anymore. Anywhere I go, I know the right office to go. Nobody.
You hear her? He doesn't they see, okay. Tell her, me not fair tell her, also may not disturb me, say I don't want to come. Why because they tell me say administration is closed, the office is not closed, administration. When because they tell again, they say okay. Because that is what they are trained of. Is what they go to school, they train put. They will like to brainwash you, think that maybe we give up and said okay, to now succor on their own agreements. So when you now see that I still stand on my word, you have no choice to say, okay, see you.
But are you the owner of Ansburg? Are you the owner of Deutschland? Because that is the reason why in Deutschland, everybody have his own office that you want to apply for anything, their phone number, their email address, everything is there. Why are you doing all work in that house?
Ask me.
Did they just send you to me? You must just hold me anytime, anywhere.
I said, did they just send you to me to hold me anywhere, anyhow? Maybe they follow me.
You must come to me,
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, you must come to me, Not be me, they call her. So when I started this issue of social media, when I started, social worker, now they call you something, are you an agreement? You they hear when I tell her. Are you hearing it? So I go cut the lie. Why will I lie?
Please, I'm begging you here. I don't want to have anything to do with you. I told you last time. I said I cannot have anything to do with you. And nobody should direct me to you. Come and do something. Leave me alone. Please, I'm begging you.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Which? Ask me whether I felt deaf since when I look at the year. Oh. No, sir, don't cut go. Ask me whether I not felt years since. Ask me whether he felt the pain and says, yeah. Meanwhile, he's looking for a way. He's looking for a way to brainwash me so that maybe I will not later say, maybe I will change my mind. May I wait, he said, may I even go say, wait, he want to do me do. No, No lose guard for their body, oh.
Einen schönen guten Abend. Hier ist Katja Haubold. Yeah. I'm so sorry and sad. You are very.
Katja Haubold, I have never called you for help. You called me.
I get menu. I will go find myself.
Einen schönen guten Tag, Frau Jumbul. Hier ist Katja Haubold. Wir haben ein interessantes Projekt. We have an interesting project for the cinema. And
You go yesterday, we had the same voice note.
the government gives the possibility that we can make a film, and we need regisseurs and actors and cutters and so on. And we have a very, very good regisseur. It's Mr.
If you say an Agada, a dwarf, it be like, I think she's for Poland. She's not German. I think it's for maybe married German. I don't know. I think she's for Poland. Evil, very wicked.
Norifa, Mr. Nejat Norifa won the Berlinale, and he has many experience in the making of film. And I thought to you, you have also many experience in make a film in YouTube.
Yeah. He say I no say he no say me get experience film I have a YouTube. The year the time we content no say I told her say before she no say I be YouTuber. The time we content go no say I be social media person, she regret her life.
You can come together with other actors. You can speak with your friends or your husband, and so, and then we can make a film for.
Now film because he come again. Oh God. He say me we call they do film. When social worker for Germany because they say many people call they do film. This woman don't Chris. All of those things was to catch me red-handed. Inside year for years. So did you know that this woman, she still booked me? I not minor. She still booked me for a year. As I played the record, it's just as I play, as I play, I not minor.
Yeah, are you interesting? Call me back, and then I give your contact to the film studios. Okay? I hope it's an interesting thing for you, and so you have more fans, more publicity. The films comes in
no, okay, it's no, I don't want to. Thank you.
In Germany. It's a
very
big chance. I think so. Okay, call me back for this. Thank you and have a nice day.
Yeah. Now be me they call him. Now she they call. Never know.
Hello, Mr. John Bowell. Katja Robert speaking. Your husband called me.
It is well. I will first a record. It's on a voice note.
Having it just started.
Jean Paul, we need a test from your doctor that you are not healthy. Hello, Mrs. Jean Paul. We need a test from your doctor that you are not healthy, because it was an important appointment with us. Please go to a doctor for a test that you are ill. Okay, and then we must make a new appointment. It's very important, no? You must go to the language course in the next time. I have, it's very important that you come here in Rathaus.
Yeah.
Tell me when you can come here, okay?
Hello, Katja.
Your message. You sent me a message. I don't understand. You said I do what? You book appointment for me in the doctor and madam, I don't know what you are trying to say and I don't know what you are trying to do. Please. You know what you did to me early this year, the letter you sent for me, and I don't know the kind of help. I told you before, I don't need your help. And you're not the only one in Ansburg go to court. You called my daughter not to treat me.
Name is Hello, Mrs. Bull. Please don't forget the language course tomorrow. It's in the A. It's near 80.
I forgot the language course. Now the manner. Now let what the carpets before language course. He go say voice note. Say. Yopa. See miss call. Only one go call. Send voice note. So they go YouTube, you go send me this thing. So that may I for call for your appointment. I don't mind now. This one a normal voice note too. This one a voice note.
Hello, Katja Howard speaking. I sent you a document, and this document, du must bring it to Agentur für Arbeit. Agentur für Arbeit you find in job center, but it is a own institute. It's not a job center, but it is in the same house. And this document I sent in an envelope, you must bring there. And then Agentur für Arbeit sent me other document per mail. And then I can give this Herr Brinker, and Herr Brinker can ask BAMF for integration course.
Oh, Jesus. This woman go just sit down. Only one go call. Only one go call. I not block him. No. I not block him. Like all those voice notes now. I don't even made the same voice. When you call it say, because you know the same, she don't send voice long notes. She don't send long voice notes. So now short one they send. But when she now calls, oh, miss call for my phone. Miss call. See. I also miss call. I also call you the call. If I pick, when I pick, I will not record. If I pick, I'll record that because